So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and in this video I'm going to talk about exciting learning opportunity where you can participate, take quizzes and win some cool prizes, even cash prizes too. So before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel and do hype the video and share the channel with your friends. Now one more important thing I wanted to share, that many of the participants were asking about Google Cloud Arcade Challenge. Okay. So like how you can participate in the Google Cloud Arcade Challenge and win some cool goodies like hoodies, t-shirts, printers and these light bulbs you can see. So this video is perfectly for you. Make sure to watch it. I'll share the link in the description. Now without wasting any time, let's come to the main topic. So this is the new challenge, that is nation building case study competition 2026, and the registrations have been started from 28th of November, that is 6:56 p.m. in the standard time. Okay, now here you can see all the timelines will cover each and everything. Here first thing you need to understand that you can participate as a team size also or individual level also. Okay, and the deadline for the registration is 1 month. Now if we come to the timelines over here, basic details, let's cover the basic details. So it is just a largest undergraduate case study competition, and it is an annual event which is designed to help the youth to engage in the national building process. Okay, like this, here are some information that this is a competition where you can take part and win prizes. Now let's come to the eligibility criteria. Okay, eligibility criteria, that participants should be currently enrolled in any course. Like this event is only for students, okay, not for any corporate employees, not for any, I mean, who are in different parts of the country. Okay, this is for only Indian participants. Now here they may ask you to provide your college ID, which will just show that you are in college from this session to this session. After that, if you want to participate individually, as I said, you can do it, and if you want to form a team, you can form a team of two. Okay, now here the important thing is that if you are forming a team, the team should be same college. Like you can just add your classmates from same college. You cannot add anyone, like if you are from DU, you cannot add anyone from Rajasthan University. Okay, like this you cannot add anyone, so you have to be same. If you are from DU, you can just select DU. If you are from RU, you can just select RU. Now here you can see that cross specialization and cross year teams are permitted, so there is not issue. Now here you can see registration. Okay, registration process. So actually the event is live on 28th and the registration starts from 1st of December. So you can see today is 29, 30 and 1st. So you can just start registering from the 1st of December. Okay. Now here you can see these are the zones. Okay, you can just see the zones, like we have west zone, north zone and central zone. And here you can see there will be some online queues. Okay, there will be some online queues. So if I have to explain the format of the event, so here registration teams will receive login details to perform online quiz. Maybe it will be proctored, like your camera will be turned on and you have to just, let's like you give any online exam, you have to perform the quiz, and it will be in MCQ format. Okay, and there will be some questions based on general awareness, aptitude and current affairs. Okay, like this you have to just answer the correct answer, and there is no negative marking, so you can just try to attempt all the questions, but make sure you are accurately attempting the correct question. Okay, even though you are answering incorrect, that does not mean you are getting negative mark. Okay, still you should try your best to give the correct possible answer. Now here, after participating in the quiz, the top performing teams, the teams which just score high marks will be qualified for the next stage. Okay, they have just set the division zone. Okay, when you will register, it will ask for your zone, whether you're from north zone, east zone, south zone, central zone. Like this you have to just enter. Okay, so in the registration form it's simple, you can fill it automatically, and if you have any query you can comment down below. Now after that, once you are selected, okay, then you have to make a PPT, PowerPoint presentation in PDF format. Okay, you can easily make the, it will contain the title of your presentation, the name of both teams if you have just participated in team. Okay, and if you are participating individually, then also you can name your team also, there is not a big deal, and your college name or zone. If you are from, for example, if I show a quick example, that if you are from MP, you can just select MP zone, sorry, central zone. Similarly, if you are from north zone, you can just select New Delhi. Like this you can just understand they have mentioned the zones and states too, so you can just check this out. Now here, once you have completed and submitted the PPT, now after that the results will be published. Okay, results will be published and you have to just prepare for the presentation which I have shared. And regarding the timelines for the presentation, you can clearly see it's over here. So once you have submitted the presentation, okay, then after that also a result will be generated and the top performing teams will be notified for the zonal finals. Okay, there you have to just present the solution of the given problem to the judging panel online, and then after that the qualifying teams, like you have to develop some solution. Like in simple words, you have to just share a problem statement, you have to create a problem, or if they provide the problem, you have to just derive the solution. What can be the best solution for it? For example, if people are suffering from depressions, etc., then what can be the best thing, like best AI agents you can build, or what is the best solution you can just derive thinking on your skills. Okay, like whatever you like, you can just select it and just mention in the PPT and just submit in the qualifying round. Okay, zonal finals, then after that you'll be having chance to attain the national finals. Similarly, once you have just completed all the challenges and you are in the national finals and you win, and here you can see the cash prizes. You can clearly see that winner will get 5 lakhs, first runner up will get 3 lakhs, and second runner up will get 2 lakhs. Like this you can see all the participants will be getting these cool prizes. And here you can see the other prizes, like certificates will be awarded to all the participants who participate from day one itself. Okay, like this. Second important thing is that what you need to understand, the transportation cost. Okay, whosoever are getting in the national finals, they will be getting free accommodation, like from living and transportation costs will be arranged. Like they will just have a bus or train, whatever they will just set, will be free of cost for you. You don't have to worry about the transportation, in simple words. So here you can just download the attachments over here, and you can see registration deadline is 31st of December, so hurry up and register it. Okay, I've shared the link in the description, you can check it out. And if I have to show the basic FAQs regarding this event, you can see that this competition is open to undergraduate students from college pan India, like any college from India can participate. Okay, you can participate individually, I have already cleared, and here you have to just check all the things. So here, whatever the criteria I have already shared, that this is the criteria that you need to be a undergraduate student. So this was the quick thing I wanted to share. If you have any query, you can let me in the comment section. Do like the video and subscribe the channel, guys. Have a great day ahead.